He felt lost in a sea of debt. Every storm felt too heavy. Shadows loomed large over his dreams. The mountain seemed impossible. But deep within, a tiny spark remained. He needed a change. He chose one small, simple action. A single seed was planted. Day after day, he stayed disciplined. The ritual began to grow. Like iron forged in heat, he hardened. Small wins added up. Money was not the only thing saved. His spirit grew stronger. The grind was quiet and lonely, yet progress was inevitable. Obstacles tried to break his will. He refused to bend. Compounding power worked its magic. The small became mighty,